Hey everybody, welcome back to Why Not RV. On this week's episode, we're going to go and do a product review of a sleeping air mattress that a company sent to me through Amazon called Airelax. Remember, if you want to learn more and make less mistakes while RVing, be sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like and a comment down below. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Now, just to start this video off properly, Airelax did reach out to me. They emailed me and they asked if I wanted to do a product review of their product. I did not do any research whatsoever. I just said, yeah, sure, go ahead and send it to me and I'll just give some first impressions and first thoughts. Now, this is a camping style sleeping mattress. This is not a big fancy air mattress. Now, the company does have nice, bigger, higher quality air mattresses. This is meant to be thrown in your backpack, taken out to the woods, and set up just to keep you off the ground a few inches. So let's take a look at it. It comes already packaged and rolled in this nice little bag, which I believe this exterior bag acts basically as your pump. They sent me a video of kind of how to inflate it properly, just so I knew what to do. That's kind of what this looks like. So this is a great little thing. You can either, throw it, add it to your strap of your pack, get it packed away in your pack, but it's pretty lightweight. Obviously, there's no motor like a regular air mattress, so this might be a really great option for a lot of people out there. Let's go ahead and do this and open it up and see what we got. So like I said, this is our air pump bag, which I will show how that operates here in a second. And this is the air mattress. They do have instructions right here that kind of show what to do and how this bag works and operates, but let's go ahead and give it a try without me really knowing much. All right, first thing we're gonna do is get this thing completely unfolded and opened up. Now that we have this open, I can kind of show you that basically this little bag has a little nozzle, and the air mattress has a little port. That's all we're going to do is we're literally just going to hook up the bag to the air mattress. It just clicks right in place, and now we fill this up with air, close it, twist it, and push it in. We're just going to repeat the process to blow up the air mattress. Alright, now that we're fully inflated, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this. And it does have a backflow preventer, so it automatically doesn't come back out. So some first impressions here is, seems like a really good product. Very, very nice feeling material. All the seams look really good. All the seals look really good. It's actually quite comfortable with its built-in pillow at the top. Laying down on it in the direct sun is a little warm, but it keeps you off the ground. It's just a few inches. This is 3 or 4 inches of a mattress, but it's great for tent camping or just weekend camping stuff that you just want to be able to not sleep on a floor somewhere. It's a great little solution. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description below to where you can buy these. They have a variety of colors and sizes. I think they have the real small single. This is a double, intended to be able to sleep 2 people on it. But let's go ahead and get it deflated and see the process of folding it back up and see if I can get it back in the bag. So to deflate it, all I gotta do is pull this cap up and press down on the little valve in there. I think once I let go of it, there you go, it stays down. So I can just kind of let it do its thing. So there we go. Might not be as perfect as when it first shipped, but that's not bad. I can easily go into a pack, and if I spent a little bit more time getting the air out of there, it probably would have come out or got back into the bag a little bit easier and better looking. But I mean, for a real quick setup and a real quick breakdown, I like it. I mean, it's got real nice quality silicone at these joints. All the seals look really nice. The material's really nice. It's very comfortable. So I could totally see this being a great option for campers that are actually tent camping, backwoods camping, stuff like that. Obviously, for an RV, this isn't going to be an air mattress you want. But maybe it's something you can just put in the closet and have for guests. It's something real tiny, real light, doesn't add a lot of weight to your RV, stuff like that, and it gives you a great second option. So again, I'm going to put a link in the description below to where you can buy this on Amazon, and a couple of different variations in size and whatnot. But I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching Why Not RV. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Why Not RV. Bye.